Did you purchase a course from us? Well, your journey is not over yet. Now you can earn while you learn. Geeks for Geeks brings you Refer and Earn. First things first, in order to be eligible for the Geeks for Geeks referral program, you need to have purchased a minimum of one course. Now open up your course, click on Refer and Earn. Your referral code will be generated here. From here you can share your code on any platform, or you can just copy and forward it to your friends. When they'll use your code, they'll get an instant discount and you'll get your referral bonus. Your total referral will be shown in your referral section. You can redeem this amount anytime and it will be credited to your bank account. So what's the wait, geeks? Time to earn as you learn.